I feel so unsure. I'm a volcano about to explode, bro. Everyone knows you don't live near a volcano. But then these enterprisers wanted to come and try to say that it's something for tourists. I'm gonna make lava again. I'm gonna make people burn in flames. They're gonna drown in molten motherfucking lava, bitch. Should've known better than to fuck with a volcano. You know what I mean? Why would you try to fuck with a volcano? You wanna get near me? I'm a steam pot motherfucker ready to blow. Ho, bitch. Oh, I ain't that type of fucking mountain. Was never had careless whispers of virgins being thrown in to my divine. That's what you do in a volcano. Sacrifice your youth. That is the truth of the volcano. And I swear that I'm coming back. I'm gonna burn down your stepsister. I don't know how I even got to that point. But I'll be burning everything out with you. Oh, he's right. Orgasm. That's not appropriate for YouTube. Or is it? I don't care, bitches.